What's poppin', people? It's your boy Gani. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video I got some live footage of the boot sale. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy it. As you can see, I did change the scenery of my recording. If you watch my previous videos, I was recording in my bedroom. However, I decided, why not, let me just use the attic, as there was a lot of room in here. As you can see behind me is all the items that I am currently selling on my eBay store, and there's some more there. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Today's video I do have some live footage of the boot sale. However, I do apologize. I did record the boot sale with one hand, and the other hand I was sourcing through. Obviously I was wearing gloves. Obviously stay safe, guys. However, as I was sourcing through the products, items, the camera angle maybe it might be too much to the left, too much to the right, but it isn't straight. However, it is my first time recording. Maybe in the near future I might buy the head cam, or even it's like a backpack you clip onto your backpack, and it's a GoPro. Yeah, GoPro. I might get that in the near future. However, do bear with me. So I'm going to show you all the footage. After the footage, I'm going to show you what I picked up this week. And then after what I picked up this week, I'm going to show you what sold this week. Let's get into it. Before I go into what has sold this week, I'm going to show you all my pickups throughout this week. What one should we start with? Let's start with this one. So number one is a Skylander Giants pack. I don't know, is it for the Xbox 360, is it for the Wii? I'm not sure. But I'm going to have to do research on this and find out. So number one. And this is the Risk board game. It is brand new. So that's 1, 2 with a Star Wars. 3 of them are sealed. However, 1 has been opened, and yeah, all 4 of them have 100 puzzles each. The one that was open, I did have to count it to make sure that there are 100 in there, and there are. So that's 3. And the last but not least, this one is actually a cool puzzle. It's a 3D with tiger. I picked up all 4 of these items for £5 at the charity shop. So that's charity shop number 1. And This one is not a charity shop, it's TK Maxx, as they were doing a clearance. I picked up this book bundle, Skullduggery. It got 9 books. It was £5. I saw it go on eBay for around £18. So I decided to pick up 2 of these. So 1, 2. And this one was, I think, around Wednesday. I picked up a Wii Wheel, 2 nunchucks, and a Wii remote with another Wii remote. I picked all of this up for £8 on Facebook Marketplace, which actually is a bargain. Pickup number 3 is a golf practice net. I picked up for £3, and a Modern Warfare 3 picked up for £1. What else? Yeah. The number 4, is it? Yeah, I lost count. There's another charity shop. I picked these up for £1. They are actually brand new, so should make a little profit on these. So those are all what I picked up during this week. And today's boot sale, it was a little bit dry. I only spent around £14. I did pick up 3 games. I picked up Sonic All-Star Racing for the Wii for £2.50, and a Kinect adventure game, as I already have a Kinect already, so I can bundle this up together with another. And I picked this Kinect game up for I did pick up this Kinect game for £1. Let me just make sure, you know, it survived. Yeah, it survived. Game number 3 is Mario Sonic Olympic Games. This is a classic game, and I picked it for £2.50. And then we have 120 gig export hard drive and a 60 gig hard drive. All of this I did pick up for £14 from the same seller. Those are all the pickups I picked up this week. Let me just quickly run down what has sold this week on my store. So item number 1 that sold on my eBay store, the picture somewhere here or here. Wait, let me move a little bit to the left so it could pop up there. So item number 1 is a network adapter that I picked up for £2 in a bundle for £10, and it was 5 items, and I sold it for £20 and 95p. I make around £14 to £15 profit, which kind of already paid for the £10 bundle, and I'm already in profit. So item 2 that sold was the DVD bundle that I got from Facebook Marketplace that actually came with a Monopoly board game. I picked up for £12 with 15 DVDs, and actually one of the DVDs sold. The Resort, I've never watched this movie. It did have a cover and it was actually sealed. It was brand new. I sold it for $4.99. So these 2 items both did come in during the week, so I did already ship them off, so I can't show you that I have it. However, so there's 3 more items that sold today, so in total 5 have sold for me this week. Number 1 is a Wii remote with a nunchuck. I sold it for £14, so £11 plus £3 shipping fee that the customer pays. And I think I picked these up for a £5 actually at a car boot sale. And the second item that sold was another Wii remote actually. I sold this for £12, shipping included, not without the sleeves. I am going to take the sleeve off. Item number 5 is the 2 steering wheels accessory and Mario Kart for the Wii. 3 of these items did come with the Wii bundle that I bought for £40. I'm going to post a picture up here. After eBay fees and everything, I should make around £70 to £60 profit, which is almost half the price of what I've invested into the Wii bundle. And plus, I still have 4 games left with 2 controllers and a console, so I hopefully should I would definitely make my money back. However, at the end of the day, we're all doing this for profit. I showed you all my items that I've bought this week, from charities, boot sales, Facebook Marketplace, and I've showed you all the items that I've sold on my store. I've been doing eBay reseller for around 3 weeks now, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm kind of enjoying it. It's a lot different from eBay dropshipping, as when you're dropshipping, you're just on a computer, and it is a lot easier than buying the items for low and actually selling it for high and actually going to charity shows, boot sales and everything. However, the dropshipping, sometimes it gets complicated. I'm not gonna lie to you. Sometimes you're gonna find products that are actually trending products that are actually selling in a lot of volume, and I do have a couple products that are actually doing very well on my eBay store. I want to thank all of you for staying until the end of this video. If you did enjoy this video, do hit the thumbs up, and also don't forget to click the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to be notified when I upload my next video, which my next video should hopefully be either Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday, one of those days, as I am going to go to a couple more charity shops and I'm actually going to record it as well. Hopefully this time my record will be a lot better, not the one hand, hopefully. But yeah, I appreciate it, guys. It's been your boy Gani, and I'm out.